You know, whatever we do, usually we have some type of an idea of a plan. Maybe it's something we haven't done a lot of before, and our plan isn't, I guess you'd say, very well educated. But then there's also the situation to where we have something that didn't go exactly right. We start off with a good plan, but then if something doesn't go right, it's kind of like, oh, well, nobody's hurt, let's get it cleaned up, we'll go from there. But if we really have a plan to begin with, and we come back and reevaluate what worked, what didn't, then we're able to really get better at what we do.